Welcome to my allotment in East Sussex to another week of rain, but of more intensity than last week. For example, on Monday we had a day's rain fall in just 1 hour, which afterwards it brightened up and I could finish off those post tops. The plan last week was to get the gate posts in, so if the rain continued, which was the forecast, I could work in the shed making the gates. Monday dried out pretty quickly. With the heavy rain forecast for tomorrow, I decided that a full day's strimming on my plot and also on my daughter's plot was the order of the day. And when it was trimmed, I picked up the mowed grass using the electric lawn. The collected grass cuttings were a useful addition to the compost bins, taking about 8 more boxes. I was quite satisfied with the end results, and the grass looked quite neat. This walk-through shows the extent of only half of my fencing. It is extra long due to it being L-shaped on plan, and this rear length bordering the pylon will have to be cut at a later date.
That's to sort out.
Tuesday I got an early start before my wife and I went out to do some therapeutic shopping. I did not take any video shots, as time was the essence, and I was working in the tight corner behind the water board, which was casting a dark shadow, to which I fixed the second layer of chicken wire before the rain came, and boy did it rain. Flood warnings were beginning broadcast. It was not a good day. Wednesday was different again. Bright sunshine, a tad colder with a strong wind, and we were being warned of the remnants of a hurricane reaching us tomorrow. So I had to get a spurt on. The day was spent cutting posts to length, adding post caps, cable tying the chicken wire, including cutting the wire to length. Thursday, the remnants of the hurricane arrived, bringing the rain and the wind. But no matter, as Thursday is supermarket day. The only visit to the plot was for a harvest of vegetables for next week's meals. The first job was to lay the weed fabric and then filled the trench at the gate position in preparation to make and position the gate, which took me up to lunchtime, after which it then gave me 2 hours to make and fit a gate. 4 o'clock was the weatherman's prediction for an onslaught of heavy rain, which he got wrong, for the rain came much earlier. The camera picks up when it started. The ground became slippy underfoot, and I finished making and fitting the gate in 1¼ hours. With the exception of the bottom rail, that was made entirely of pallet wood, consisting of 11 slats in all. I had a number of damaged slats at their ends, which I managed to salvage by cutting them down using one as a pattern. This resulted in the gate not being as high as I would have liked, but what the heck, it's an allotment, not a sheep corral. And I marked the cross rails by placing them across the opening and reducing them by ½ inch, nailing them together with one nail so that the frame can be adjusted by placing between the posts, which takes out any imperfections in plumb of the post. They do move, you know, when the wires and netting are fixed. Brought back carefully to the trestles and the second nails hammered in place. The middle space is then filled in with the remaining 7 slats. 3 slats had to be taken from a fresh pallet to make up the numbers. Nails came out the other side, which was intentional, and these were cleated over. This makes a very strong fixing, but attention has to be made to make sure that none are missed, because an uncleated protruding nail causes a lot of damage to one's hands. I required to change my background music, as something has changed with iMovie music regarding free tracks. The last 2 tracks, not iMovie, were advertised as free downloads, when reading the agreement were not free. My keyboard has a 16-track sequencer built in, allowing me to do a mic Oldfield, that is, 2 tracks on top of one another, so why not have a go at my own compositions? I can read music, but not compose it, which restricts me to classical or traditional songs, such as the Skater's Waltz, followed by a simple chord sequence, adding or subtracting instruments as I go. Let's try another. Let's just try it with just the guitar. Let's have something else. How did that sound? Let's try something with an accordion. Here we go. Banjo. Go to the beginning. You can see from the clip I take approximately 2.9 minutes to make one and fix one slat. Times 11 is say 33 minutes to assemble this form of gate, which I think is a quick and cost-effective method to make a plot gate. The gate is finished and it's time to pack up and go home a tired and very wet garden. A shower and a change of clothing is what's required, but tomorrow is Saturday and I don't care what the weather is tomorrow, if it's wet or dry, and I have a birthday to celebrate with one of my grandchildren. So let's hope to see you again next week. Please do like, share and comment on the video, and please subscribe to my channel. And when subscribing, please do remember to press on the little bell to get an alert every single time I upload a new video. Thanks very much for watching. Take care. Bye.